Jude Bellingham just lived the worst second of his career. I spent a week drawing the month that came before it. AI set one benchmark for this portrait. Turn a flat face into a sculpted one. Real peak highlights, real core shadows. At the end, the same AI grades it. You'll see if I hit it or choked. This is the second it stops being a face and starts being his face. The jaw is doing most of that work. His whole face is planes and edges. If the block-in is lazy now, no highlight can rescue it later. By the way, this entire lesson came from one prompt. 5 seconds is all the screen time it gets this week. Right now, he reads carved from stone, too harsh. 10 weeks taught me, it looks wrong before it looks right. Stay. A peak highlight isn't white. It's a hard jump in value the eye reads as light. The exact sequence is in the free map. Bellingham's month was 30 flawless days and 1 bad second. A portrait works the same way. This stroke right here can be either. The benchmark was sculpting, peak highlights, core shadows. Verdict, hit, with one catch. The face finally reads lit, 3-dimensional. The catch, I overcarved him. The eye sockets and jaw went deeper than the reference, drama the photo never asked for. So next week's target is restraint, the same shadows at half the depth. If this made you want to try a face yourself, the custom color map is on my Gumroad. The exact colors and the order, built for your reference photo, everything I can't say on camera. Link below, next to the free PDF. Week 12 is already on the desk.